Here we go, Nana. Dun, 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 dun. Morale's high. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, what a walk. What a walk. Oh, what a walk. Do we know these neighbors? Hi, neighbors. Ah!
Hi, y'all. Happy Mother's Day.
Amelia, say hi to the video.
Hi!
Someday when you're an old lady, you'll be able to look at these. And there is Addo.
It's really not
Let me get a close-up of Addo. Give me that great look.
Bob brought this to drink.
Throw the hair behind.
We want to open a bottle of wine.
Where'd she go? Oh. Yeah, man. Give it to me. Woohoo, woohoo, woohoo.
Addison, don't you want to dance?
Go, girl. Go, girl. Go, girl. Wait till I show this. Wait till I show this to your boyfriends.
We need to have some wine.
What's that? What's that shot?
Let me put this over here.
These moves you got. Excuse me. What is that? Who's teaching you this stuff? Have you talked to your mother? Get out of the way. Oh, bad breath. Ooh, bad breath. We interrupt Pat trying to get the door open for an important phone call from who else?
Hey, sweetie.
Russ.
Well, we just got through playing mini golf and Nana.
Clap two, and then my second one should be the narwhal. The narwhal? Yeah, and then the seahorse. And the dog, they're just common, so I'm not that worried about the dog.
What? Why? I'm only taking a movie. I'll take a movie of all of us. Here we go. Here we go. Let's flip it. Let go. Here we go. Yo, Grandpa. What's that? What's that on top of my head? What is that? Do I got two little bones sticking up on my head?
I'm going back.
I could be a reindeer next year. Then I'll get a red nose. I'll be like Rudolph. Now I got big antlers. Oh, man. I'm an old reindeer. Yeah, I could wave at the crowds. You're a crazy girl. Sounds like you're spitting. Is that how you dance?
No.
How's your sister dance?
I get, Sissy. Sissy, look. I pushed this man to the lake.
Nana's going to sleep. Yeah, Nana. You can't sleep. They're calling you.
Nana, somebody break this. So I had like an inch flip. So I had a caught and then this other person had a caught, and they were on the edge and I was in the middle. So I crashed into them and I knocked them into the lake.
That wasn't very nice.
And then they said, "Hey, hey, you pushed me."
Hey, mean girl. You pushed me into the lake.
Born that way?
I don't know.
I was born that way. No?
I think I was born this way.
What do you gotta do? Get up once in a while and dance in the middle of the game? Oh, how nice. You better watch out for her. She's trying to rip you off in the game. She's trying to steal all your things that you want on the game. Oh, how nice.
Killed me.
Nice little girl.
Ow! Well, technically I killed her. And then I saved her. I know.
A clownfish.
A goldfish. A snack. Bubbles, a hot fish.
Tilapia. A lion.
Salmon. Cooked fish.
A flying fish.
A dead fish.
Hot fish. Hot fish bud. And that bracer worked good.
What do you think, girls? Hey, honey, look at me.
I mean, another picture. What else? Details. A hungry
Here we
fish.
are in the most gorgeous
Fishing.
evening you can have.
A fish
And
out
there's
of water.
our adobe over there.
Not a flying
A
Oh,
little
whale.
house on the prairie. It is really nice. Wish we
Fish out
could
of
buy
water,
that
fish in
house
the
and move it
puddle.
somewhere.
A puddle jumper
But
fish.
tonight we got the most perfect evening.
It's fresh off the boat. See, there's still like water on it.
Shrimp.
Is that all? Is that
Is
what?
that what it is? Fresh off the boat? Why don't you draw a boat?
I don't know how to draw a boat.
Draw a boat. You can draw a boat. A little sailboat or cruise ship boat.
Draw a cruise ship,
Yeah,
of
that
course.
would have been a boat.
Everybody draws cruise ships.
There you go. I probably still would.
And then you could have drawn an arrow to the
And I'm in
fish.
trouble tonight because they
But we
trimmed the
still- we
steak,
probably
the fat
would've said
off
fish.
the
Can I
steak.
go again?
Yeah, you
And they're
really
not
did.
forgiving me. So for the next 20 years, you'll hear this story.
Yes, you will.
I'm a bad boy. Oh, look at them. They don't understand New Yorkers trying to make them healthy.
Hey, I know what I want to
But
do.
meanwhile, let's go back to the show.
We're
The
watching.
flies are bad.
3,
Is it regular fly?
2, 1.
Well, they're much less as they trimmed the fat off the steak.
Well, baby.